Welcome. This is Amy, and these daily messages come through the counsel of highest light and deepest love. Each one is an offering to help you pause, reconnect, and remember the truth of who you are. Let's begin. There's a quiet confidence forming in you now, not the kind that argues for itself, but the kind that stands without rehearsal. You are learning that stewardship is not proven by perfection, but by consistency, care, and the willingness to let decisions complete. Not every concern requires response. Not every opinion requires resolution. Not every moment of dissent requires your energy. What is sound will hold. What is sufficient will serve. What is aligned does not need defending. Notice how much effort used to go into proving you were doing it right. And notice how little effort is required now when you trust the process you have already honored. You are allowed to let outcomes speak for themselves. You are allowed to let time demonstrate integrity. You are allowed to lead without narrating your leadership. And so we ask you to reflect. Where are you still trying to prove your care instead of trusting it? Where might steadiness replace explanation if you allowed it? To bring this into your day, choose one situation where you feel the urge to justify or clarify. Pause, breathe, and ask, has this already been decided? If the answer is yes, let your silence be the signal of trust. And now we bless you, beloved. May your leadership rest in quiet authority. May your care remain visible without becoming heavy. May your nervous system learn the relief of not being on display. And may you remember that stewardship is not something you perform, it is something you embody. If this message has resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe and return tomorrow. Until then, may you walk gently and in the remembrance of love.